Ankita Rajat and she is Prachita, Vijay and Anushri.
So I'm the person who is stressing this kid. Prachita is manager. Ankita is the one who helped me managing my stress, and Vijay is going to demotivate me in this particular skill. So see in the office, manager skill.
Yes, Mr. Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
So, did you have done your previous work which I have assigned you?
No, ma'am, I just wanted to tell you that I required 1 or 2 days more to complete this.
Okay, then complete your work and I have some more work for you. So, you have to go to, you have to visit more doctors. I will make you the list. Then you also have to go to the production department and give me the data about it. Then you also have to visit the finance team. I'll share you the details into the mail. And it seems that you are not able to achieve the targets. What's the reason?
Yes, ma'am, I'm not able to manage all the things. Yes, ma'am, it's right, but I'm not able to manage all the things.
You are a fresher. You have to manage all the things. It's not a reason you should give.
Yes, ma'am, I will try to do my best. So after this since me and Vijay, we met at Cafe Day.
Hi Anushri, what can I do you?
Hi, Vijay. I know that.
Tell me something. I really face something in your face. What difficulty you are facing?
Actually, what happened? I met a manager at the morning, and she told me that I'm not able to do, and I'm not able to manage all the things correctly. So she scolded me really bad, and she has been already given me lots of work, which bothers me a lot.
It is not that difficult because we have joined at the same time and I am achieving my target on every month. It is not difficult.
But I felt it is difficult, and I'm not even able to manage all the things simultaneously. And she already gave me another work, and I have to do that within the 2 days. So I don't understand that how can I able to manage all this.
Take a time, think, relax, first of all you relax. Think. I have to go because I have another task to do. So see you soon. Bye.
Now in the cafeteria, Ankita meets Anushri and she helps her to relieve the stress.
Hey, what happened?
The same kind of stress or tension. Is everything okay?
Everything is fine. No, Ankita, everything is fine. Nothing happened.
No, something is wrong. I can see that. I'm concerned about you. If you feel free, you can talk to me.
Actually, what happened that I met manager, and she told me that I'm not doing anything rightly, and I'm not even able to achieve my targets. And right now I feel so stressed. So I don't understand what can I do.
First of all, calm down, be relaxed. Don't get so stressed. Nothing is impossible in this world to achieve. And what happened first? Why you said that you're not going to tell me everything?
Because as after that I met Vijay, and he also demotivated me a lot, and he said that he is accomplishing all his work and all, and I'm not even able to understand and manage all the things. So I feel that I should not have to tell you also. So that's why.
First of all, let's see. Calm down. We'll talk it. See, even past few months, even I was going through the same stress and all. But one of my colleagues, he suggested me a book, and he also helped me to overcome my stress and all. And he suggested me a book, Conquer Your Stress, by Carrie Cooper and Stephen Palmer. I would like to suggest even you to go through it. It will help you to come out, and it will make you clear about stress, how to manage it. There are many points in this. You have to make a sample action plan for yourself, like psychological skills, thinking and imaginary skills. So it will help you in support, behavioral support, social support, and all, and physical health. You have to take care of yourself.
Yeah, Kita, I will try to read this, or I will definitely read this. Thank you for your suggestion, and I will definitely try to implement the things that have been told and told in this book.